Hey guys, Shiro. So I was wondering how to start this video and he made himself at home on my YouTube chair. Just 1 second. Alright, but come on. Alright. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Abhishek and let's get started with this video. So I get asked this question quite often actually by everyone who watches me on YouTube, my friends, that if they are a beginner, should they invest in a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, and should they just avoid that and stick with their phones? Well, I never had an answer until now, and I don't actually have an answer right now either. It's just my opinion and everyone's situation is different. So what I suggest people to do is stick with their phones as long as they can, because in 2023 our phones are just as capable, maybe not as capable as a professional $3,000 or $5,000 camera, but they're very good in the hands of someone who knows what is doing. My phone do act as my backup camera in a lot of situations where I'm trying to take pictures during a shoot, and if I'm taking extra pictures with my phone, I get to compare them. And you know what? I just had a brilliant idea. Let's switch locations and we'll just go from there. Hey guys, so I'm at Blue Water Bridge right now and I took some photos with my camera and with my cell phone of the same subject, and I want you guys to take a guess. I want you guys to guess which ones was taken with the camera and which one with the cell phone. I'll start putting up the photos on the screen side by side, and then after 5 seconds or so I'm gonna reveal the answers. Take your wild pick, and don't mind my stuttering. It's really cold and it's freezing right now, so go ahead with the guess game. I had to come back, so it was really cold out and I couldn't stand there anymore. But I hope you liked the pictures and I hope you guys had a good guessing game going on. So did you see what I mean? Our phones are very capable in good light to take almost as good pictures as our professional cameras. So what I have noticed is that the pictures taken by our phone falls apart a little bit as compared to a professional camera is when it's dark outside, or maybe if there's not enough light on the subject. It happens mainly because the sensor size of our modern phones as compared to even a crop sensor mirrorless camera is really small, and smaller the sensor means it lets in less amount of light. No matter how much image processing that happens inside a phone, it still wouldn't compare to a good professional camera, especially when it comes to low light. I'll list 3 pros that stand out to me myself when I'm taking photos with my phone, rather than listing like 10 different points. These 3 points actually says a lot when it comes to comparing smartphones these days along with any professional digital camera. So number one, we have the phone is always with us. It's like an extension of yourself, of your being, and you take it everywhere with you. You can be anywhere at a dinner party or even at a beautiful location, and you can just take it out of your pocket and that's it. You just open the camera app and you start shooting. It's not as easy to do the same thing with professional grade camera, because most of the time, believe it or not, we carry big bags like this with us with a different variety of lenses and camera body with it. The second point is I think everyone knows this for a fact, is the convenience our cell phones provide in sharing our photos with everyone in the world. You can take a photo within 2 seconds, you can upload it to Instagram or even make a reel or short for YouTube, and it's that easy with our smartphones. It's basically like a professional camera, but you can make phone calls and use Instagram with it. Point number 3 that I'm trying to brain fart. Point number 3 that I'm trying to explain it to you guys that might be a little bit controversial is taking photos with your phones really easy. I'm planning on doing a full video on how to take amazing looking photos with your phone soon, but till then, smartphones are so easy to use these days. You just open the camera app and you're ready to go. Most of the features are already built into the phone, and all you have to do is press the shutter button. You have it. You have an amazing image because the phone does all the processing and setting up the shutter speed, ISO and aperture, and you don't even have to most of the time worry about it unless you want to dive further into the rabbit hole and you want to get into manual photography with your phone. Yeah, you can do all that with the phone. It takes a little bit more time, but if you just want to be somewhere to take some amazing pictures, there's nothing more easier than using your smartphone to do it. Well, there you have it. These 3 reasons that I mentioned are one of the few reasons why I take photos with my phone, the same photos that I take with my camera when I'm on a shoot or at a location and I want to capture a beautiful looking picture. The same photo taken by my phone and my camera gives me a better understanding of the technology that is integrated in our phones at least in 2023. And so if anyone's thinking about buying a new mirrorless camera or a DSLR, if they're just starting out, I would say stick to your phone first and see where it takes you. Don't have to dive into buying a very expensive camera, investing a lot of money, and then it sits on your shelf and you don't even get to use it very often. But then when do you need to buy a professional camera or even just a starting range DSLR or a mirrorless camera? I'm so sorry, my Shiro is trying to grab the gorilla pod that's on the ground and is trying to play with it, but then I'll dive into that topic very soon in one of my upcoming videos, and I hope to see you guys then again. And I hope you guys found this video useful, and I really hope I could answer some of your questions. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and do all those things to support me and my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.